I'll share 8 side hustles that can help you make 100 a day. Let us get started. Number 1, Swagbucks. Earn by completing surveys and watching videos. Number 2, TaskRabbit. Help people with tasks online or in person. Number 3, iWriter. Write articles and earn around 15 each. Use ChatGPT for ideas. Number 4, test websites. Earn 10 per test on platforms like User Testing and TryMyUI. Number 5, online surveys. Register with Vindale Research or Survey Junkie and earn 1 to 3 per survey. Number 6, sell used books online. List them on eBay or Amazon for 5 to 10 each. Number 7, stock photography. Sell your photos on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock for royalties. Number 8, voiceover work. Offer services on Fiverr or Upwork and earn 10 per gig. That's it for our 8 side hustles to make 100 AD.